How to delete hacked Facebook account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your hacked Facebook account. So if your Facebook account has been hacked and you want to delete it, so you have to quickly you should act quickly to secure your account and prevent the misuse. So here's a step by step guide on what to do. First step is that you have to try to recover your account. Before deleting your account, you should attempt to regain control of your account. So you have to just go for the Facebook login page, go and open up your Facebook. Open up your Facebook. Once you have opened up your Facebook, here you have to simply type your email or number and just click on the forgot password here. Once you have clicked on the first forgot password, this link is below the password field. You have to provide your email address or phone number here associated with your account. You have to just write your email address here, and the Facebook will send you a link or code to reset your password. You have to use it to regain the access. Once you have access, immediately you can change your password and enable the two-factor authentication for added security. So if this doesn't help you and you are not unable to recover your account, you have to just go back and go to your Chrome here. Once you are on your Chrome, you have to search for the Facebook Help Center here. Once you have searched for the Facebook Help Center, so here you have to just navigate to the help center of the Facebook, and here you can see your help center. Once you are here, you have to use the search bar to find the section related to hacked account. Just search for the hacked account on your search bar. Once you have searched for the hacked account, you have to go directly to the hacked account form here. So you have to just go for the hacked with account, and you have to just go for your hacked form here. Once you have write the report or problem, just go for the report or problem with Facebook, and here you have to just report a problem on your Facebook. You have to follow the instruction to report your account has been compromised, and you may need to ask to provide the identification here. So if you regain your control of your Facebook, just go and open up your Facebook and log into your account here. Once you have a login to your account, and you have to tap on the menu icon, which is represented by the three horizontal line on the top right corner. You have to scroll down and go for the setting and privacy. Just click on the setting, and here you have to tap on the see more account here. Just go for the personal detail and click on the account ownership and control, and here you have to just go and choose the deactivation or deletion, and you will be asked to enter your password here. So you have to enter your password to deactivate or delete your account here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete the hacked Facebook account on your Facebook. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.